Zanu PF vows to bury opposition in by-election amid massive vote buying. The 2nd of September 2025, by a correspondent, Masvingo, with the Ward 7 by-election in Masvingo, urban scheduled for September 13th. Zanu PF has come under fire over allegations of vote buying and political coercion, raising questions about the credibility of the contest. Over the weekend, the party's provincial leadership descended on Ward 7 to drum up support for its candidate. Simbarash Shanhiwa, the gatherings, which attracted hundreds of residents, were reportedly accompanied by the distribution of handouts and promises of development incentives in exchange for votes. Zanu PF Masvingo provincial chairperson, Robson Mavhiniengwa, said the party was confident of victory. As a party, we are confident that we are going to win this council seat because people have seen that Zanu PF is the only party concerned about people's welfare. Nothing much has been done by the opposition in this ward, but despite that the ruling party has been implementing programs to improve people's livelihoods, he declared. Masvingo Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Ezra Chadzamira, echoed similar sentiments, telling the crowd, "We are happy that the people of Ward 7 have gathered in their numbers to support our candidate." Simbarash Shanhiwa, "I assure this community that the Zanu PF-led government is committed to ensuring improved livelihoods. I urge you to take advantage of all the development programs coming your way to uplift your lives." However, critics argue that these so-called development initiatives are thinly disguised political tools. Citizens alleged that access to essentials such as food parcels and solar-powered boreholes is being tied to loyalty to Zanu PF. Candidate Simbarash Gweja Shanhiwa also credited his campaign's momentum to President Mnangagwa's policies. "I am happy that I will be representing the People's Party, and our campaign in this ward was made easier by the work done by our President Mnangagwa. Where we are standing, Rujiko Secondary School was established under the devolution program. We have also seen a number of solar-powered boreholes being established to improve access to clean and safe water," he said. The Ward 7 by-election follows the death of former councillor Tafara Masimba. What was expected to be a routine replacement has now become a heated political battle, overshadowed by allegations of manipulation, coercion, and vote buying.